Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. If you saw one of my last videos, I did an unboxing and a review of this welder here. This is a YesWelder 205DS-B MIG welder. It's a pretty good welder, and today I'm going to put it to the test. I'm going to bring you along with me. We're going to make this smokeless fire pit. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step. If you haven't already, like the channel, and please subscribe. As always, if you have any questions about the project, welders, tools used today, or have any other comment or suggestions about future projects, please let me know in the comments below. Okay, after laying down the tape, I came in 2 inches from the side and 2 inches from the top and made my first mark. I used a piece of scrap wood, made 2 reference points spacing 1.5 inches, clamped another piece of scrap wood, marking a 2 inch for the top, and started marking all my holes. All 57 of them. I came back with a punch and punched all 57 marks, and then I was able to remove the tape. The bit I'm using to drill the holes is a 3/4 inch heavy-duty carbide hole saw bit. Awesome drill bit for cutting into steel. The only complaint I saw when buying the bit was the center drill bit quite often breaks. With that knowledge, I decided to use a small step bit and pre-drill all 57 holes. With all 57 pre-drilled holes finished, I then was able to use the carbide hole saw bit and drill all 57 holes to its final size. Doing this whole entire project, this was the part that seemed to take forever. I probably could have skipped the pre-drilling, but I figured to be safe than sorry. On a similar project, I drilled all my holes with a step bit. This carbide hole saw bit worked so much better, easier, and faster. All the holes are finally done. Let's move on. So the size piece I need is 93 inches by 12.5 inches. So I'm going to use my plasma cutter. Cut a full sheet at 12.5. Once the sheet's cut, then I'll cut to the final length of 93 inches. Okay, so the bottom of the inner tub is going to be 29.5 inches. So using my new circle jig, I'm going to cut out the 29-inch circle. It's time to clean up the edges so we can start welding. This is the YesWelder MIG 205DS-B. They sent out to me to unbox and review. Let's see how good it can do on this project. If you're interested in this welder or any other YesWelder product, you can use my coupon code HORRORWORK and get 10% off anything on their site. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tack my inner tub sides to the circle I cut out. I'm going to try to manipulate and follow the circle all the way around. With everything tacked in place, it's time to weld it up. This MIG torch is extremely comfortable and it's welding down an excellent bead. So far I'm pretty happy with this welder. I am done welding the inner tub here. You guys got to clean up some of the edges. Once cleaned up, I'll start on the outer tub. This will finish up part 1 of this 2-part series. I hope you enjoyed the video so far. If you haven't already, please like the channel and subscribe. If you have any comments, leave them below. I'll see you on the next video.